guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing services, styling services, shopping hauls, all about clothes. So if that sounds good to you, then please subscribe below for return viewers. I appreciate your guys' support more than I can put in words. Thank you guys so much for coming back. Really appreciate it. Okay, let's get into this. Today I have a Trendsend unboxing. If you are not familiar with Trendsend, I will tell you very quickly while I pop this sucker open. Trendsend is a styling service by the store Ever Eve. They are a brick and mortar store. You can go in and shop and find these same pieces. They also have an online store where you can find the exact same pieces that we're getting in these boxes. They send you 2 to 3 fully styled items. There is now a styling service of $20, but that does get applied to anything you purchase, and they have started offering a discount of 10% if you buy all 5 items or 5 or more items. I think it's 5 or more. I don't know, they've been sending me 5 in the last couple of boxes, so maybe that's their new standard. I'm not sure. So that's the deets. I think you've got 5 days to figure out what you want to keep, send back what you don't. They give you paperwork that tells you the price of everything and how to style your outfit, so I'll go over that later. But let's just get into the bundles. I've got 3 bundles here, and I'm going to go ahead and dig them on out. There you go. There's my bundles. It's in a gigantic box this time. So let's start at the top here, and this is a paisley patterned, I don't want to call it rust because it's kind of got more of a orangish tint to it than a rust color. I don't know what to call this color, but it appears to be a dress, and it does have kind of like a balloon-ish sleeve, but it only looks like it's a 1/2 or 3/4 sleeve, and it does have a tie on it. So just first glance, and it's got this like blue pattern on it. So first glance, I'm just really not a fan of the colors and the pattern on it. But we'll see what it looks like on. It is a wrap dress, looks like a real wrap dress, so that should be interesting. All right, next up we have first this blouse. It is a kind of a, I'd almost call it a painted stripe to it, and just a short sleeve blouse. I think this would be a nice piece for wearing to work. It does seem a little bit boxy, so it may look a little bit oversized on me. This is by Peyton Jensen, extra small. The dress is Allison Joy, and it is an extra small. On the back here, we do have kind of this crisscross V area, which I think is very cute. So we'll just see. I think I like this. It'll just depend on, you know, how that fit looks on me. And then, ooh, these are nice and soft. We got some level 99 skinny black pants, and, you know, high-waisted, and like a soft, comfortable material. And the unique thing, and I pretty much, I don't know if it'll show up, the pockets are like these long rectangles, so that makes them a little bit different. So we'll see what these look like on. These are, like I said, level 99, size 25. So I like those. Next up, we have, ooh, I like this. We have this beauty. This is a tank, very soft. I like this material. Ivory, Allison Joy, extra small. And it has this keyhole front and a high neck on it, which I do like. I've got a couple high neck tops like this that are lace. So it'll be nice to try something else. Now the biggest thing is clearly not bra friendly. So the question will be, will I wear it under blazers and cardigans, or go strap? I'm not going strapless, let's be honest here. So I'd have to wear it under something, but we'll see. Next up, we have this denim jacket. This is cut by the cloth, and they have rolled up the sleeves here, but it is an extra small, so does not appear to be distressed. I do have one denim jacket already, but I rarely wear it, so I don't know. We'll see if I like fall in love with it on, but I doubt that will end up staying. But what I think might end up staying is these beauties. I did in my styling note ask for some colored denim, so I'm just, you know, feeling the spring vibes and would like to wear some more colored denim. And they sent me this beauty, Articles of Society, which I love my Articles of Society pants, and just love this color. It's clean cut, no distressing, so I can wear it to work, which I always appreciate. The front pockets are faux, so these are non-workable front pockets, but the back pockets work. That's always sufficient. I don't need both front and back pockets. Usually I just use back pockets to carry my phone around when I'm at work because I'm not carrying a purse around. So there you go. Okay, I really like these. I'm really happy about, the dress is kind of but everything else I'm really happy with. So I am excited to try these on. Let's get to it. Okay, first up we have the black striped shirt and the black pants. Okay, so the striped shirt, it is a little bit boxy, though I could easily kind of just do a front tuck on it to give it a little bit more shape. I think it is a good dressy shirt for me to have for work. So I think this piece all depends on what the price is, because I'm not overly excited about it, but it's like, yeah, I'd reach for this. So I don't know, I'd be interested to see what you guys think. And then there's the back with the cross back on it. So just to give you guys that look. Okay, now the pants, they're actually kind of more of a dressy material than I expected. So I think I could actually wear them as a dress pant to work, which would be super cool. They are a little bit long, but I've actually tried a tuck under. I think I'm going to be trying that more often on pants like this. So just kind of rolled it under and you can't tell that it's a little bit too long. So I'm happy with these. They're very comfortable, particularly up here. It's just it's a good waistband. There's not a lot of extra room, maybe slightly a little bit, but not a lot, and it feels good and high and snug. So I'm really happy with the feel of these. All right, let's get on the next outfit. Okay, outfit number 2, and they do have the sleeves rolled on these, but let me unroll one of the sleeves. Okay, the length still isn't bad on it. I'll leave one roll just so you guys can see it. I really like the jean jacket. It's very comfortable. It's got a decent amount of stretch to it. It's pretty fitted, so I always appreciate that. So I like this. It's a nice jean jacket. Again, I think I probably won't end up keeping because I already have one that I don't wear enough, but happy with this. I think it could probably be a little bit more snug, but so that's the full outfit. I'm going to take this off so you guys can see the top. Again, I didn't take my bra off because #lazy, but I like the top, but it goes down quite a bit here, so I wouldn't feel comfortable here without a cami underneath it. Then I feel like it would look kind of weird to have a cami up to here underneath it. It is a bit big and flowy, a little bit more so than I like. I mean, I like some flow, but it is a little bit big on me. So unless this is an amazing price, I don't think this is a keeper. But let's talk about these pants. These pants are the perfect length, absolute perfect length. So I would not need to roll, and I love the color. Absolutely love the color. And they're Articles of Society, which I love my Articles of Society. So I have nothing but good things to say about these. The only issue I have is I'm in the middle of filming my Stitch Fix box, and I haven't tried on those pants yet, but they sent me a similar box, almost exact same pants, definitely same color, and a jean jacket. I'll put a link to that video up here if you haven't seen it, but I have not tried that stuff on yet, even though most likely Stitch Fix will get posted before this one. So we'll see what happens. I know I love these, but Stitch Fix has a different brand that I haven't tried yet, so maybe those would be amazing. but really, really happy with these, really happy with the length, the fit. These are perfect. All right, I think last up we just have the dress. All right, I can tell you guys right off the bat, this one is a no for me. I wasn't in love with the colors and pattern anyways, but the fit is not great. It is a true wrap dress, which can be a little bit tricky. There's no modesty closure here, so there's a lot of danger involved here. And then I think I just don't maybe fill out the top enough. I don't know, I can't. It's got like this weird bulging here. It's not a great fit on me, so this will not be staying. Here's the 360. All right, let's go over prices and decide what to keep. All right, guys, let's go over the price sheet here and then decide what to keep. So, starting at the top of my pile here, we have the Amelia denim jacket by Cut from the Cloth, and it is $71.20. These are discounted prices that I'm going to give you. I do have 20% off thanks to Sandra Alvarez using my refer code. Sandra, thank you so much. I appreciate you using my link and your support, and hopefully you have, and hopefully you've been enjoying Trendsend. So, but denim jacket, I like it. Could stand to be just a little bit smaller, but I really did enjoy it. I just don't need it. I already have a denim jacket that's a lighter wash, and I just don't need two of them. All right, then we have, this is the Olivia Modal Tank by Allison Joy. Has such an amazing feel to it. I really love the keyholes in it. I think that's super cute. But I did feel like this front keyhole went down too far, and then with it not being bra friendly and it was a little bit big, it just wasn't a perfect fit for me, wasn't a perfect shirt, and it is $46.40, so I'm not going to pay $46 for a sleeveless shirt that isn't a perfect fit. So, and then we have the Printed Woven Tee by Paint Jensen, and this is actually $15.99. So it started off at $68 and has since been marked down to $19.99, and then with my discount that makes it $15.99. You know, I'm mixed on this. I do like it. I'm just not excited about it. You know, it's one of those things where you feel like you should get it because it's a great deal, $15.99. But I don't know that I'm ever going to be very excited to put it on because it's just like, it's fine. It's just fine. I don't know. So this one I'm on the fence on. We'll decide that a little bit later. Then we have the Austin Sateen Utility Pant by Level 99. And these are $102.40. I really like these. I like that whole sateen thing that makes them very soft and slick. They are dressy enough that I could wear them to work, but I'm just not going to pay $102 for them. So not going to be keepers, but really liked these. And then we have the dress. This is the Berkeley wrap dress by Allison Joy, and it's $31.99, which is a great price. It started out as $98, and this was not Jen. The wrap top was not me. The sleeves weren't me. The colors aren't me, or the pattern. So this was just not for me. But what is for me is these pants. Oh, I love these. I wore them both last Friday and Saturday and love them. I wore them. I had a long sleeve striped top and then my denim jacket, and I just was really, really happy with these. And I love Articles of Society. I always feel like they fit great, they feel great, and they're affordable. So Articles of Society, yay. So anyways, these are the Carly Crop, and these are $54.40. And these are mine. So this is a for sure keeper, and I'm debating on this one. So let me know what you guys think about this box, about what I should keep. I so appreciate you guys watching and your comments and feedback. I very much appreciate that. So thank you guys for watching. Again, if you want to try Trendsend, you can use my referral link below. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you're not subscribed, then subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Have a great week. Love you guys. Bye.